So today's topic of discussion, that is reaction intermediates. So first all of you know that what is reaction intermediate and what is the definition of reaction intermediate. So reaction intermediate is nothing but the one of the short-lived species formed during the formation of product from the reactant. So it is nothing but short-lived species. That is the reaction intermediate. So according to their nature, according to their structure, it can be classified further. First one is the carbocation, second one is the carbanion, third one is the free radicals, and fourth one is the carbene. So first one, that is carbocation. So what is carbocation? Carbocation is the such carbon species on which positive charge is present. That is called as carbocation. It is also called as carbonium ion. It can be carbonium ion is nothing but it is the positively charged carbon species. So there are three type of carbocations: primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, and tertiary carbocation. So tertiary carbocation is the more stable than the secondary carbocation, and secondary carbocation is the more stable than primary carbocations. So this is the stability order of the carbocations. Tertiary is the more stable, then secondary is the more stable, then secondary is more stable than primary. This is the stability order of the carbocation. So next, another one is the carbanion. So what is carbanion? Similarly, carbanion is also one of the carbon species on which negative charge is present, and this species also classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary. So what happened? Primary carbanion is the more stable than secondary carbanion, and secondary carbanion is the more stable than tertiary carbanion. So stability order is reverse to that of the carbocation. So this is the carbanion. Third one is the free radical. So what is free radical? So free radical, that is the very reactive species. Free radical is the such species on which one electron is present. That is called as free radical species. But that species, the carbon species which containing one free radical, that is one electron on carbon species, that is called as free radicals. So last one, that is the carbene. So what is carbene? Carbene is the such species that carbon having two hydrogen and that containing two electron, one lone pair on it. So total number of electrons are 6 on carbene. So what happened? That carbene is called as most electrophilic species. Why? Because for completion of its octets, it can be gain two electron from another one species, so it can attack on the another one nucleophile for completion of octet. So this is called as most electrophile species. That is nothing but carbene, and it is formed by decomposition of diazomethane. So all these are the reaction intermediate species. Okay. So detailed explanation or structure we will explain in our next session. Thank you.